Hey Bonbons, so welcome back to my beauty channel, Bon's Beauty. So today we're going to be creating a look with just using Fenty products by Rihanna. I'm actually really excited to be doing this video just because I love Rihanna ever since I was little. And today we're actually going to be creating a look with just using her Fenty line. The only thing that I'm not going to be showing are my eyebrow product and my mascara and also the false eyelashes that I'm going to be using for this look, just because, you know, it's a Fenty product look. Like, duh, she doesn't have anything that is the eyebrow or the mascara product yet. Hopefully soon, and if she does, I am for sure gonna get it because I love her product so much. Anyways, if you want to see this look, just continue watching. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to be using is the primer. So the primer we're going to be using is the Fenty Beauty. Is that upside down? Oops. The Fenty Beauty Pro Filler Instant Retouch Primer. Alright, so the first thing, pop that open. Just gonna use a squirt of it. That's all you need, literally. So you're just gonna apply that all over your face. It's very important to prime your face just because your foundation doesn't move and it just helps, you know, prime the face. For the foundation part, we're going to be using the Pro Filler Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. Gotta make sure you shake it well. Shake it well. The shade I'm going to be using is 290. And to put on my foundation, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Foundation Brush 110. And it just comes in just with this. You gotta make sure you apply this all over your face really fast just because it oxidizes really quickly. This brush is actually really good with blending it. I don't see a lot of bristle streaks that I normally see when I use a foundation brush. It's actually blending really nicely. I like it a lot. So the reason why I like to go a shade lighter in my foundation is just because in the winter time I'm a little bit lighter just from not going in the sun so much, and in the summertime I'll still use the same shade but I'll add a lot of bronzer on the outside. It saves me a lot of money that way from not buying two different kinds of shade as well. Okay, so now that I have that all blended out, I'm not going to set it with powder just because it makes me look a little bit patchy. So the next thing I'm going to be using is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filler Amplifying Eye Primer. All you're going to do is apply this to the lids, the eyes of your lids. Ooh, I like this already. Tap it with my ring finger all over just so it can spread at the same time, but you don't want to smudge it because if you smudge it, you're going to have uneven parts when you apply your eyeshadow. So I apply that all over, tap, 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 using my ring finger because, you know, your ring finger is your lightest finger, I think. Yeah. So once you're done applying all that, we're gonna go ahead and obviously use eyeshadow. But for this look, I'm actually gonna use like a simple eyeshadow, just one. Literally just one, but from the eyeshadow palette. So the eyeshadow palette I'm gonna be using is the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice. We're gonna go in with Nuts and Dates, cause nuts and dates. And the brush we're gonna be using is the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow brush. So what you're going to do with this eyeshadow is we're only going to be using one color, but all we're going to do is make sure it's darker here and it's slowly fading outwards towards the outside. And then, so that once you have that done, we're going to go ahead and use eyeliner. The eyeliner we're going to be using is the Fenty Beauty, obviously, Fly Liner Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. Look that I chose is literally one that's going down like that, just to make it look Egyptian like. Pretty cool, hey? So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. By the way guys, I am wearing a tube top. Alright, I'm not naked for this video. So now that we're done with the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my concealer and my contour and some blush. As you can tell, I have used this multiple times. I love this product so much too. The Matchstick shades are Mocha, Trippin', and Bamboo. So I'm going to go ahead and put my bamboo on already. So when you're using these matchsticks, I learned from the Fenty Beauty page or one of their videos is make sure you warm it up. You want to put it at the back of your hand. See? And you're going to go in and put triangles down and up. And put some right here. I like to go up a little bit more and down here. And I also do it on the other side. I don't even know. Does that even look like a heart? Oh, it looks like a penis. Oh, I'm gonna make that into a ball. I don't know what I did there. Okay. Same thing. Warm it up at the back of your hand. And we're gonna go in and put that contour in. And also add here 3 down here and like that, and also right here, here, and under here. We're gonna go in with Trip-In. Alright, so now that we have the Trip-In on our cheekbones here a little bit, so we're going to go ahead and blend this all out and use the Precision Makeup Sponge. I'm going to wet it a little bit, so I'll be right back. So I already went ahead and damped my Precision Beauty Sponge, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that all out. I usually start with the concealer part and just blend that all in first. Honestly, there's a lot of dabbing. Alright, so now that we have that all blended in, I'm gonna go ahead and use something different. She doesn't, I don't think Rihanna created like a setting powder yet or like a pressed powder. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte blotting powder. I'm not sure how that's gonna dry up on my face, but it helps with blotting. It comes with a cute little mirror and also like a pad, and then what it does is it has like this powdered substance right here. I'm not sure what it is, but I'll try it out, and it just dries like that, like literally nothing. But I'll try and go ahead and use this. So I'm gonna go ahead and pat all this down. So far it's working. It's making my makeup for sure not so crazy looking, and it is helping set it some reason. And I actually think this is really good just because when you're going out, you want to make sure you're not crazy shiny, right? So it just helps, this helps a lot with the shininess too, right? I'm pretty sure. And you can easily take this wherever you go. It's like the blotting papers. Alright, so it was Fenty Beauty's birthday or first year anniversary a couple days ago, and they came out with a new product, 2 new products, which is this. This is the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm. You know you're glowing in summer, girl, you're gonna be glowing in the winter as well. This is the Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm All Over Diamond Veil. How many carats? Girl, look at this. And it's so silky, like it is like literally like milk. It like literally is like milk, like literally, look. Oh, I love this so much. It feels so smooth going on my skin, and it doesn't leave anything like residuey or like it doesn't leave anything else but the sparkles. I feel like, oh, it's so beautiful. It also comes with a compact mirror, which is nice. To apply my highlight, I'm going to go in and apply the Fenty Beauty highlighter brush. And what it does, it comes in, it looks like it's like contour to your high cheeks. What is it called? I forgot. Anyways, I think your cheekbones. So I'm gonna go in and go ahead and apply that here. So I'm gonna apply it right here to my cheekbones. I'm not sure how much I want to add. Hopefully you can see that. go in like this and up here. I don't know if I'll need that anyways. It's, you know, it's all over, like literally. I'm gonna highlight my whole body. Put some right here, put some right here, and then right here. And then some right here. Glowing. Oh my god. It glows. Like, look at this glow. Alright, so now that I applied that all over my body, like literally all over my body, I am not a vampire. The next thing I'm going to be using is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Diamond Melt. And we're also going to swatch that right here. And look how beautiful that is. But now, I'm going to apply that to my lips. I'm also going to put on something here as well, right here. Oh, so beautiful. And right here. Use my pinky just right there. Alright guys, so this is the completed look that I've come up with for the Fenty Beauty products. It was actually really scary to be playing around with the eyeshadow just because I didn't want to take too much from my eyes to the highlighter as well with the diamond bomb and everything. So yeah, this is the completed look. If you like this look, and don't forget to like that like button below. If you haven't subscribed to my Bon's Beauty channel or my Bon's Vlog channel, go ahead and subscribe to those as well. And thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!